Looking for earth-shaking bass that fills every inch of your car? Today, we're counting down the top 10 best 15-inch car subwoofers, massive subs built for serious sound lovers. First up, the Soundstream T5.152 is a beast for anyone chasing hard-hitting bass. With a peak power rating of 2,600 watts and 1,300 watts RMS, it delivers chest-thumping lows with ease. The non-pressed paper cone and durable foam surround ensure strength and maximum excursion, while the massive motor structure provides reliable power handling. If you want powerful, aggressive bass without distortion, the Tarantula series from Soundstream is a true standout. Next, the massive Audiopipe XL152 is built for extreme bass heads. Rated at 2,000 watts RMS and 4,000 watts peak, this monster uses a Kevlar fiber-reinforced cone and double-stacked strontium magnet. Its heavy-duty construction ensures serious durability even under the most extreme SPL condition. If you're chasing trophies or just want window-rattling bass that's competition-ready, the Hippo XL152 is an absolute powerhouse. The Kicker 43C154 delivers reliable bass performance at a budget-friendly price. Rated at 300 watts RMS, it features a durable injection-molded polypropylene cone and a ribbed surround for clean, controlled bass. While not designed for competition-level SPL, it's a fantastic choice for daily drivers who want deep, punchy bass without breaking the bank. If you're looking for Kicker's signature durability and sound in an affordable 15-inch package, the 43C154 is an excellent entry point. The American Bass XD1544 combines affordability with solid bass output. Rated at 600 watts RMS and built with a heavy-gauge steel basket and double-stacked magnets, this sub can handle serious daily pounding. Its high-density foam surround ensures long-lasting performance and deep excursion. If you're upgrading a street build and want aggressive bass response without spending a fortune, American Bass has you covered. Orion is a trusted name in bass, and the XTR154D lives up to the hype. Rated at 1,000 watts RMS, it features a polypropylene cone, high-roll foam surround, and dual 4-ohm voice coils for flexible wiring options. Built for those who love loud systems, the XTR154D delivers deep, booming bass perfect for daily drivers and weekend warriors alike. If you want classic Orion bass power at a mid-range price, this is the one. The Planet Audio AC15D is perfect for those on a strict budget who still want deep bass. Rated at 700 watts RMS and 2,100 watts peak, it features a polypropylene cone and foam surround to deliver powerful low end without distortion. Its dual 4-ohm voice coils give you flexibility for different wiring setups. If you're looking for the most bass per dollar, the AC15D is a budget beast. The Sundown Audio A15V2 is a legend in the bass community. Rated at 1,000 watts RMS, it uses a reinforced pulp cone, an oversized motor structure, and a heavily optimized suspension system for serious low-end response. Built for daily drivers who demand incredible musicality and brutal lows, it performs beautifully in both sealed and ported boxes. If you want reliable, clean bass from a name that serious bassheads trust, Sundown's SA series delivers every time. The Audiopipe TXX-BDC2-15 is designed for hard-hitting bass without draining your wallet. Rated at 900 watts RMS, it features a heavy-duty composite cone, a large magnet motor, and a durable foam surround. Perfect for ported enclosures, it produces loud, aggressive bass that's great for hip-hop, EDM, and rock. If you're looking for rugged construction and booming bass at a great price, the TXX-BDC2-15 delivers strong performance. The Rockford Fosgate P3D4-15 is one of the best-selling 15-inch subs for a reason. Rated at 600 watts RMS, it uses Rockford's VAST technology to increase cone area and produce louder, deeper bass. The anodized aluminum cone and dust cap resist distortion at high volume, while the spider venting keeps things cool during heavy use. If you want tight, deep, reliable bass with excellent power handling, the Punch P3D4-15 is a serious performer for any sound system. Finally, the DD Audio 815F-D1 is a serious weapon for true bass enthusiasts. Rated at 600 to 1,200 watts RMS, it features a carbon-reinforced pulp cone, precision-machined motor structure, An optimized suspension design for low distortion. Built for extreme SPL and deep musical bass, it handles high power while maintaining sound clarity at all volumes. If you want a premium 15-inch sub that performs in competition builds or serious daily setups, DD Audio's 815F-D1 is one of the best. And that's our list of the top 10 best 15-inch subwoofers for cars. Which monster subwoofer is going into your build? Comment below and subscribe for more real-world car audio reviews.